In this video, I'm going to show you how to find videos, pictures, and files on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, this process is very simple. So what we need to do is locate my files on your device. So go ahead and find it. If you can't, just simply swipe up and do a search and type in my files. Make sure to spell it correctly. My files, here it is here. So go ahead and open up my files now inside here. Now, there's a few different ways how to search for these. So we can search by categories. So we can search by images. So it's just going to show you images, videos, audio files, documents, downloads, installation files, APK files. You've also got your recent files here. So you can swipe this left to right and find any recent files. Now, if there's a particular file that you need to search for, you can use the search icon. So you can click on the magnifying glass and go ahead and type in your search term, and it's going to find that file inside your Android device. Now, for example, if I'm looking for something that starts with E, I'm going to put in E, and it's going to show you all the items that has E in it. Or if there's a file just named E, it's probably not the best demonstration. So say if I've got a file named Easy, I've got this here, AOL Easy, it's a voice recording, or Yahoo Easy.